Hi, Liam. Have you thought about what we're going to make for dinner?
Hi, Isabel. I was just thinking about that. Are you craving anything in particular?
I don't know. Maybe something light, since I had lunch a bit late. How about we make something with chicken?
Sounds good to me. We can make some chicken stir-fry with vegetables. It's quick and healthy.
Yes, I like that idea. Do we have chicken in the fridge?
Let me see. Yes, we have chicken breasts. We'll need bell peppers, onions, and some soy sauce.
Perfect. We could also add some rice on the side.
Good idea. So, chicken, bell peppers, red, green, and yellow, onion, soy sauce, and rice. Do we need anything else?
I think that's enough for the stir fry. How about we also buy something for a quick salad? Maybe lettuce, tomato, and cucumber.
Excellent. That way we have something fresh too. And any fruit for later?
Of course. How about some strawberries? They're delicious this time of year.
I love strawberries. So, to the fruits and vegetables section. Do we need anything else from the butcher shop or the dairy aisle? I don't think so. Let's go find all that. Good idea. A little sesame oil would add a nice flavor.
Ready. So, chicken, 3 colored bell peppers, onion, soy sauce, rice, lettuce, tomato, cucumber, strawberries, and sesame oil. Are we forgetting anything? I don't think so. We already have the chicken. Maybe some sesame oil for the stir-fry, if you like. Let's go. We're having a delicious dinner tonight.